I'm bringing you a new video tutorial in PowerPoint in which I want to show you how you can save your presentations in a video format. Maybe you wanted to share with your colleagues or you want to have in your records stored for the future. So this is an easy way to store this in video format. Luckily for us, in PowerPoint we have an option to do so very easily, so I'm going to just guide you through it. So we have this mock presentation with 4 different slides and a title. So we're going to go to the recording tab, and here we're going to click the export to video option. Here we just have two options to choose. The first one is the quality. It will be to default to the full HD resolution, but if you want it to be more fancy, you can use Ultra HD, or if you want just to store the video and forget about it, you can use smaller size files, okay, and lower quality. But the default is full HD and it's pretty good. Second thing, the timings and narrations usually don't want to use unless you have created them, but you can just set to the default setting that you not use recorded timings and narrations. Then you have to choose how many seconds you want each slide to last. Usually it's 5 seconds. Sorry for that. This is 5 seconds as the default. So you can just leave it as that. And you have to keep in mind that if there are animations or transitions, they will be respected. Okay. So finally, you have to create a video and you save that. And you can see here in the bottom, it will start creating the video for you. So once it has finished, you will have your in MP4 format in your computer, wherever you have saved that, and it will be ready to use and see for you. Okay, so hope you guys find this is useful. Leave a comment if you have any doubts, and I will try to solve it as fast as possible. So see you guys.